Hello students. So here is the questions of straight lines from 2024 PYQ. So the first question here is a ray of light is coming from the point P, getting reflected from a point Q on the x-axis and then passing through the point R. And if S is the point is such that PQRS completes a parallelogram. So H and K we have to find. So here the question is, we have an x-axis and point P 1, 2, a ray of light is coming. After reflecting from this point Q, which is lying on the x-axis, so definitely it will be of the form P comma 0. And after reflection, it is passing through the point R, which is 4 comma 3. Now they are saying PQRS completes a parallelogram. So PQRS, this is a parallelogram. S is H comma K. Then H and K we have to find out here. The very first thing is, if the point P after reflection from x-axis passes through R, so if I take the mirror image of point P about x-axis, its mirror image P dash will be 1 comma minus 2. And on joining this P with Q, this P, Q and R will be collinear, will be lying on the same line. So using the slopes here, I can get the value of coordinate of Q. So the slope of M P dash R will be equal to slope of, we can say P dash Q. So M P dash R will be 3 minus 2 will be 5 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 equal to, this is plus 2 divided by P minus 1. So this gives us 5P minus 5 equal to 6, that is P equal to 11 by 5. Now I got the value of the coordinate of Q. So Q is now 11 by 5 comma 0. Now we are interested in H and K. So as we know already that the parallelogram, the diagonals of the parallelogram will bisect each other. Means this is the midpoint for both the diagonals. So for first diagonal, that is PR, I'm writing midpoint. So basically here midpoint of PR will be equal to midpoint of QS. So midpoint of PR is 5 by 2 comma 3 plus 2 5 by 2 equals to midpoint of QS. So Q 11 by 5 plus H divided by 2 comma 0 plus K divided by 2. So from here K value is 5 and H value will be 5 equal to 11 by 5 plus H, that gives us H equal to 25 minus 11, that is 14 by 5. So now I got H comma K and they're asking for HK square. Fine. HK square will be 14 by 5 comma 25. So it is 70. 14 5s are 70. So the correct option is the first one, 70. Now let's move to the next question. A and B be 2 points and P be a variable point above the line AB. So we have a line AB, A minus 1 comma 1 and B we have 2 comma 3. Now they are saying P be a variable point above the line AB. So P be a variable means H comma K such that the area of this triangle is 10. So let's quickly write the area here. So area will be half of determinant HK1 minus 1 1 1 and 2 3 1. And in area we have modulus. So if we open the modulus, it will be plus minus 10. So that will be plus minus 20 equal to the determinant value, which is H and minus 2 minus K times minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So plus 3 and plus 1 times minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So here considering plus sign, we have minus 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 20, or considering minus sign, we have minus 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to minus 20. So that is here minus 2x plus 3y equal to 25, or the second one is 2x minus 3y equal to 15. Now they have said that comparing with this, This is the locus of P. So comparing with this, uh, from the second one, I can see very clearly it is very similar here. 15 is here. So A we can write as 2 and B we can write as -3. So they are asking for the value 5A plus 2B. That is 5A plus 2B, which is 10 minus 6, 4. So from here we got the answer 4, which is this option. And from the first equation, here we have to convert 15. Okay, let us try to convert here. So 15 means we should multiply this entire equation, I mean both the sides, by 3 by 5. So that will make this -6 by 5 times x plus 9y by 5 and equal to 15. And now here the a value is -6 by 5 and b value is 9 by 5. So from here 5a plus 2b value will be -6 and plus 2b means 18 by 5. So 18 minus 30 by 5, which makes it -12 by 5. So -12 by 5, which is this option. So as you can see, this is a question of JEE Main and we got two options correct. So either the question is wrong, I mean the options they have given is wrong, or we are doing some mistake. So let's read the question once again carefully. So the question here is, P be a variable point above the line AB. Read this part of the line very carefully. Above the AB. So here we have considered the possibility. Why we are getting two answers? Why have we have got two equations actually? So we have got two equations because with this line AB, one point such that the area makes it 10. So will be somewhere lying above the AB. And one point possibility is here to make the area again 10. That means the point may be lying on this line or point this may be lying on this line. So in the question, they have asked for the point which is lying above AB, means only the above one with the correct answer and below line will not be the correct answer. Okay, so means out of these two equations, what we got, only one is correct. Now, how to check which is lying above this line? Simply, you can get an idea by drawing, I mean, rough sketch, you can get some idea. So here, let this be the coordinate axis. A and B is -1, 1. So A -1, 1 and B is 2, 3. So B is 2, 3. So this is your line segment AB. Now draw both the lines and we have to check which line is lying above this line segment AB. Okay, let's draw the first one. First one means this 15 one. So 2x, we are trying to draw 2x minus 3y equal to 15. And how to draw this line on the graph very quickly? You just put the y value 0. So x value you are getting as 15 by 2 comma 0. Also, next time you put x 0. So y you are getting as -15 by 3. Quickly draw these 2 points. So 15 by 2 means 7.5 will be somewhere here. And 0 comma minus 15 by 3 means will be somewhere here. 0 comma minus 15 by 3. So joining these 2 points, the line will be here. Can you see the line is below the line segment AB? Yes. Also, let's try to see the first one. The first one is this one, -2x plus 3y equal to 25. Here also, we will substitute y equal to 0. So x is -25 by 2 comma 0. And if you put x equal to 0, y we are getting 25 by 3. So -25 by 2 comma 0 will be far on the left side of the x-axis. And 0 comma 25 by 3 will be way above this on the y-axis. So now clearly we can see this line is actually lying the line segment above the line segment AB. So definitely this is the correct one. I mean the desired one according to the question, and this is not the one. So from here we got 4, which will not be the correct answer. From here we got -12 by 5, which will be the correct answer. So actually the correct answer is only -12 by 5 and not 4. So yes, the question they gave is correct with the options. Options were also correct. It's a single correct question only. So this was a very nice question from JEE Main. Okay, let's move to the next one. So the next question here is, let two straight lines drawn from origin intersect the lines at the point P and Q such that OPQ is an isosceles triangle. POQ is 90 and L value they are asking. Okay, let's try to understand. So here we have this line 3x plus 4y equal to 12 will be somewhat like this. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. From origin, they are saying OP and OQ are drawn such that triangle is an isosceles. Isosceles means OP and OQ will be equal because angle at O is 90. Okay, we'll draw. So OP, let's say this one, and OQ a perpendicular line. So perpendicular line means this angle is 90. This is OQ. All right, and it's an isosceles means OP is equal to OQ. Fine. So this length we have to calculate. Fine, let's start. So here this length OP and OQ are equal. I'll assume R. All right. Now assuming this angle to be theta, the point P I can write using parametric coordinate. That will be R cos theta, comma R sin theta. So point P we got as R cos theta, comma R sin theta. Now if you see, the angle made by OQ with positive x-axis will be this 90 plus this theta. So point Q we can write as, again the starting point is origin and the distance from O to Q is R. So that will be R cos 90 plus theta, comma R sin 90 plus theta. That will make it Q as cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. That will be minus R sin theta, comma, this will be R cos theta. Now you can see very clearly that points P and Q are lying on the given line. So it will satisfy. Let us put the points. So here point P, we are putting in the given equation of the line, that is 3R cos theta plus 4R sin theta equal to 12. This is equation 1. Now substituting the point Q in the given line, we are having minus 3R sin theta and plus 4R cos theta equal to 12. Now this is a very popular equations from trigonometric. What you have to do is you simply have to square and add. So squaring and adding them, we are getting 9R square common. With that, we will be getting cos square plus sin square, which is 1, plus here 16R square. Again, sin square plus cos square will be 1. And plus 2ab from the first one and the minus 2ab from the second equation will get cancelled. Is equal to, we have 144 plus 144 is 288. So we have R square equal to 288 divided by 16 plus 9 is 25. R square we got. In the question, what they are asking is, they're asking for the value of L. L is actually OP square plus OQ square plus PQ square. Now, if you talk about L here, so L is OP square plus OQ square plus PQ square. So OP we have assumed as R, that will be R square. OQ, again same length, R square plus PQ. If you consider this right angle triangle here, OPQ, if this is R, then hypotenuse will be R root 2. So PQ square will be 2R square. All right, so this is 2R square. So total we have L equal to 4R square. Now put the value of R square here, which is 288 divided by 25. Now they are asking for greatest integer L. Okay, we have to first simplify this and then we have to take the greatest integer. So 25 ones are 25, 338. So 25 ones are 25, 13, 130. That will be 5 times 125 and 2 times 50. Fine. So doubling it, we'll be having 4 2s are 8, 5 4s are 20. And 6 4 46.08. So greatest integer L will be 46 is your answer, which is option, this one, second option, 46. So let's move to the next question. Next question here is, consider a triangle ABC having the vertices ABC, okay, and angle ABC is pi by 6, BAC is 2 pi by 3. Fine. So what they're asking is, if the point B and C lies on this line, then alpha square plus gamma. Let's try to draw a rough sketch here. So rough sketch will be, BAC is 2 pi by 3. So it's an obtuse angle triangle. I'll draw something like this. All right, this is A and BAC. So This is BAC. This angle BAC is 2 pi by 3, 120 degree. And angle ABC is pi by 6 means 30 degree. And the points B and C are lying on this line y equal to x plus 4. And A vertex is 1 comma 2, B is alpha comma beta, and C is gamma comma delta. All right, these are all the informations provided, and they're asking for alpha square plus gamma square. So basically we have to find out alpha and gamma. Let's start. So in this question, if this angle is 30 and this line has the slope m equal to 1. So if I want to get the slope of this line AB or the slope of the line AC, can we get it? Definitely we can get. How? If you see this is 30, this is 120, what is the remaining angle? Again 30 only. So we are trying to find slope of such a line AB which is making 30 degree with another line having slope 1. So apply tan theta. So tan 30 will be equal to mod of 1 minus, I'm assuming the slope of the line AB as m. So 1 minus m divided by 1 plus m. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So open this modulus, you will be having plus minus 1 by root 3 equal to 1 minus m divided by 1 plus m. Now simplifying with the positive sign, we are getting 1 plus m equal to root 3 minus m root 3. That will give us m times root 3 plus 1 equal to root 3 minus 1. So m is root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now considering the minus sign, we will be getting 1 plus m equal to uh, m root 3 and minus root 3. So here it is m times root 3 minus 1 equal to root 3 plus 1. So m is root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now we have got two values of m. What are they? Let's try to understand. So here this is the given line BC with the slope 1. And we are trying to find the slope of another line which is making 30 degree with it. So another possibility is this line AB, which is making 30 degree with the given line. And another possibility is with this line making 30 degree, we have the line AC. So actually with these are the two slopes of the line AB and AC. Okay. So now we can write the equation of AB as well as AC. How? Because both of them passes through point 1 comma 2 and both slopes we are having. Fine. Let's write the equations of both the lines one by one. So writing the first equation passing through 1 comma 2 and the first slope we have obtained here. So y minus y1 equal to the slope, first slope. We have got this into x minus 1. Okay, this is the first line. And the second line we will be getting with the second slope, that will be y minus 2 equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. Now these are the two equations of the remaining two sides, which is AB and AC. So now what they are asking, they are actually interested in alpha and gamma, which are the x coordinates of B and C. So if I want to find the x coordinate of B and C, what are they? Actually, B is the intersection of this line AB and BC. BC equation is given. AB, we have got the equation, either this is AB or this is AB. Similarly, if I want to find gamma, gamma is the x coordinate of the intersection of AC and BC. AC and BC also we can solve. One of the equations of these two is AC and BC is already given. So what I have to do is I have to find the value of x upon solving this equation with one of them, one by one. Okay, let's solve. So y equal to x plus 4, I will substitute here. So y equal to x plus 4. X plus 4 minus 2 will be 2 equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 into x minus 1. Let's cross multiply to find the values of x. That will be x times root 3 plus 1 plus 2 times root 3 plus 1 equal to x times root 3 minus 1 and minus times root 3 minus 1. So here we have got x times 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to, here we are having minus So here root 3 plus 1 and minus 1 times, yeah, correct. So here we have shifted the x terms, every x term on the left hand side, and remaining everything we will shift on the right hand side. That will give us 1 minus root 3, and the remaining is minus 2 root 3 and minus 2. That is 2x equal to we are getting minus 1, and that is minus 3 root 3. So x is minus 1 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. This is x value, means either this is alpha or this is gamma. Now similar thing we will do with the second equation. With the second equation we will solve the same thing, putting y equal to x plus 4. That will be x plus 2 equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 into x minus 1. Let's cross multiply. So x times root 3 minus 1 plus 2 times root 3 minus 1 equal to x times root 3 plus 1 minus times root 3 plus 1. So here, shifting the x term on the right hand side, we have 2x, and remaining thing on the left hand side, we have 2 root 3 minus 1 means minus 2, and that will be plus root 3 plus 1. So 2x is 3 root 3 minus 1. So x is 3 root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Now these are the two values of x which we got. Either of them is alpha and the other is gamma. And the question, they are asking for alpha square plus gamma square. So alpha square plus gamma square is nothing but square sum of these two values. So that is now minus 1 minus 3 root 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 root 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So let's square them and add them. So 1 by 4, I think we can take common from the denominator. From the numerator, this would be a square plus b square plus 2ab. And from the second one, we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these two got cancelled, and the remaining we have 28 into 2 divided by 4. So 4 sevens are 28, 7 twos are 14. So 14 we got. The answer, correct answer here is 14. So this was a numerical type question. Okay, so these were some of the questions from the straight lines, and some more questions we will discuss in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. See you in the next one.